What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Today I have a 2020 Ford F-150 XLT that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, figure out what new wheels and tires to put on it, you should take a look at this one so you can get some inspiration. What the lift kit that we added is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit with the strut spacer, which is going to be right above the new or the factory strut. When you get a lift kit from rough country, you have your 3 options. You can go with the strut spacer like this one, or you can go with a completely new strut, which is going to be extended to make sure you get that extra 6 inches. But also the third option will be the Vertex adjustable coilover shocks, which is going to give you the best ride quality. This one we chose to do because this truck has little miles on it, so there's no reason to go ahead and replace that factory strut since they are pretty much new. With this wheel and tire setup and this lift kit, there is a little bit of trimming that we have to do on this plastic piece right below the bumper. Just a little bit, just so when you're going to a full turn, you're not going to be rubbing that much. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be a great hybrid tire. So if you guys are looking for that aggressive look, but also want a really good ride quality and quiet ride going down the road, the hybrid tire is a really good choice for you. It's going to give you, like I said, the aggressive look, but also the great performance on the road. There's other options as well with your Nitto Ridge Grappler or your Toyo Open Country as well. So there's plenty of options if you don't want to go with this specific one. So the wheel is going to be a 22x12 Fuel Runner, which is going to be one of Fuel's new wheels that they released this year. This one's going to be pretty unique, and also it comes in several different finishes as well as many different sizes. It's going to come from anything from a 20x9 all the way up to a 26x14, I believe. All the information will be on our YouTube down in the description, so if you guys want any more information about that, make sure you check it out there. Also, this one's going to have 3 different finishes. You're going to have your gloss black and milled, your all platinum finish, and also the candy red and milled finish as well. So if you guys are looking for something kind of different, you do have some options to go with. This one is going to be that 22x12 with a -44 offset, so you're going to get that deep dish look, which this one's going to be a mix between the deep dish and the concave look. It's going to give you about a 3 to 4 inch lift right there, but also with the spokes are going to go back just a little bit towards the center of the wheel, giving that also that concave look as well. With that offset, it's going to push that wheel and tire package out about 4 to 5 inches and also give you a nice wider stance. So this is a really good looking wheel and tire setup for this truck with the grill matching the grill and some of the emblems on it. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, we can definitely do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. We also offer 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you guys are looking to get your truck built right now, you can also pay later over time with our 0% financing. So if you have any questions, make sure to give us a call.